Let's try calling our print photo function with different size and color arguments. Let's use the arguments 20, 30 and true. Can you guess what this output will be? We know that our first argument 20 is matched with our first parameter width. Our second argument 30 will be matched with our second parameter height. And our third argument true will be matched with our third parameter color. So when we run this function call, we'll enter our code in our function definition and print out the width is 20, height is 30, and because color is true, we'll end up printing out print is in color. So this will be our print output. Then what if we did another function call and we just switch the spots of 20 and 30? This time, since our first argument is 30 is going to be assigned to our first parameter width, and 20, since it's our second argument, will be assigned to our second parameter height. So compared to our first function call, because we have switched the order of our first two arguments, our width and height are also swapped. And with this, our print description will end up looking something like this. So the order of the argument in a function call when you have multiple parameters is really important. Matching your arguments to the type of parameter expected is also important. For example, putting true as our second argument would cause an error. That's because this is a Boolean value and our function definition specifies that we want our second argument to be an int. Having our third argument to be 10 would also cause an error because this is an int and our function definition expects our third parameter to be a Boolean. So this function call wouldn't even execute. So keep in mind that the order and type are very important when you use multiple parameters and put arguments into a function call.